guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. When I only working this beautiful G35 BatMobile as well. Man, it feels good to say that again. I've been MIA. I know this is like the longest hiatus I've taken from YouTube, but it was for a good reason, and the reason was my family got sick, my kids got sick. My youngest son and I was literally the only ones that was good and never got sick, thankfully. Because as you guys may know, I have 2 kids and a wife, and my wife got sick and my oldest got sick, not only once, not only twice, but 3 times. As you guys may understand, I have to put my family first on top of everything and make sure that they was good and taken care of, especially with this like new virus going on, the coronavirus. So I have to be vigilant, and thankfully it wasn't the coronavirus. So they are good now. So that's why I got out and did this video, including more that you will see in the upcoming days. Is this G35 a R.I.C.E.R because of the Batman wing or not? Now let's look at the definition for R.I.C.E.R if you guys don't know. What is a R.I.C.E.R cars? That's how it's written. A R.I.C.E.R stands for Race Inspired Cosmetic Enhancement. First, it started to be called on Japanese cars, but now all cars can be considered a R.I.C.E.R car when they are full of bad cosmetic mods. These R.I.C.E.R cars, usually low power cars that are customized in terms of cosmetic. They mount big wings and loud exhaust. That's the definition of R.I.C.E.R. It's funny how they describe R.I.C.E.R. Now the question is to you, is this car a R.I.C.E.R right now because I put the big Batman wing on the back? I will leave a poll in the corners so you can vote and see what others think of this car. Now why did I bring this up? Because I've been told that this is a R.I.C.E.R car now, and I got some comments about it. Now, for those of you who don't know, this is a theme car for Batman. Well, the reason that I did it was because this car is meant to be for the Vader, but because I'm still in New York, which I was hoping I was not. I was hoping to leave last year, but I decided to do things differently, try to do it better, so I stayed a little bit longer, but hopefully that will all change in the upcoming months. So in the meantime that I waited for the Vader to be installed on this car, I was like, let me just have some fun. And I was browsing through the internet of what can I do that's cool on my G. So then I stumbled upon that big wing in the back there, and I was like, Batman. I haven't seen this wing on no other car at all. So I was like, this is a perfect opportunity to do something unique and cool. So that being said, I bought it, and I lasted like 2 or 3 months without installing it, and I finally got around to installing it and completing the look of the Batman build on the G35. Now I think it looks great. Like I said before I installed it, I'm still 50-50 on the wing. It looks amazingly good. Like when I'm driving and I see it in the back, it's like, man, that thing looks cool. It kind of looks like a shark too, because it's like rounded like that. But I like it. And before I installed it, I said it, I don't want to make this car a R.I.C.E.R. All I wanted to do was make it a Batman theme that looked cool, but not go as far as being a R.I.C.E.R. What do you guys think? Vote in the corner right here. Do you guys think it's a R.I.C.E.R? Should I take it off? Should I leave it on? I really want to know you guys' opinion on this. I mean, because after all, we all in this together, and we all enjoying this awesome footage of the car. So, so that is it for this video. If you enjoy this type of content, please give me a like on this video. And if you need, please consider subscribing to learn more about this Batmobile. Maybe a R.I.C.E.R, maybe not. And the Vader soon. God bless. Until next time.